Hello tribe, I've been able to do some work on this over the last few days and think I've got it a little bit more powerful using parallelization for this, and I will show you a little demo of the other side of things that we have, where we have a kind of a cool graph view. I love graph views, having worked in Unreal Engine as well as a variety of other kind of visual and video based systems, so I really want a graph view. So let me find a extra cool prompt for this, and I will read it. What is the source and seasonal variability of methane in Mars' atmosphere? And what does this tell us about potential geological or biological activity? All right, let's hit enter and see what happens on this side.
Thank you for the query, Dave.
I've got this set up for a critique path of 3, and it's hammering away. Feel like I should play like the Jeopardy theme. Da na 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 na. Dun 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 bow wow wow.
Here's my analysis, Dave.
Thank you very much. Hal, you're a heck of a guy. So, yeah, that's that. You guys have seen this side before, but let's go over to the other side, which you haven't seen, and show you what that looks like, and put the same prompt in. All right, so here we have these agents. We've got a actual agent modifier where we can edit and modify these. I've got a whole bunch of agents within the system itself, and let's try and do this. What is the source and seasonal variability of methane in Mars' atmosphere? And what does this tell us about potential geological or biological activity? Holy. All right, and look at the nodes. Aren't they pretty? Thinking. We've got a whole pass situation. We've got it set up for 3 passes. You can click over here and see what each of these are doing in terms of what they're researching, what the purpose is. All right, and we are done. So we have all 3 passes done, and here's the maximize, same type of thing, but I was pretty happy with this node-based system. Think it looks really good. People like nodes, I like nodes, and I wanted to have an alternate viewpoint on this. So hey, have a great day, and peace, love, and Oki.